We begin our exploration of simple epithelium, a fundamental tissue type composed of a single layer of cells. These tissues form protective barriers and facilitate various physiological functions throughout the body. Understanding their structure and distribution is essential for comprehending human anatomy and physiology. Now we examine simple squamous epithelium, characterized by flat, scale-like cells arranged in a single layer. This tissue appears as a thin sheet and is found in locations where filtration and diffusion are primary functions. Key locations include the lining of blood vessels, alveoli in the lungs, and the glomerular capsule of nephrons in the kidneys. Next, we explore simple cuboidal epithelium, composed of cube-shaped cells arranged in a single layer. These cells feature large spherical central nuclei and are commonly found on the surface of ovaries and in various glandular ducts. Their cubic structure provides both protection and facilitates secretory functions in these locations. We now examine simple columnar epithelium, characterized by tall rectangular cells arranged in a single layer. This tissue lines the gastrointestinal tract where its apical surfaces feature microvilli to increase surface area for absorption. It also lines glandular ducts and functions primarily in secretion and absorption processes throughout the digestive system. Finally, we explore ciliated columnar epithelium, a specialized form featuring hair-like processes called cilia on its apical surface. This tissue lines the upper respiratory tract, uterine tubes, uterus, and central canal of the spinal cord. The coordinated movement of cilia helps propel fluids or particles along these tubular structures, serving crucial functions in respiration and reproduction. In summary, we have examined 4 types of simple epithelium, each with distinct structural characteristics and functional specializations. Simple squamous facilitates diffusion, cuboidal provides protection and secretion, columnar enables absorption, and ciliated columnar propels materials. Understanding these tissue types provides fundamental knowledge of how different organs perform their specialized functions through cellular organization.